Why is a central vacuum cleaning system such a clever choice for hotels? Well, simply because it is a more sustainable, efficient, and silent choice. It leaves the indoor air cleaner compared with traditional vacuum cleaners. Meet Kate and Pete. Kate uses a modern central vacuum cleaning system, whereas Pete relies on traditional vacuum cleaners. Let's see how their systems differ. Kate's team can clean substantially faster than Pete's, and therefore she needs less staff. The power consumption of her CVC system is at least 1/3 lower than in Pete's traditional vacuum cleaners. A CVC system reduces waste, whereas the life cycles of traditional vacuum cleaners are short. Halton's CVC system is designed to last the hotel's whole service life, up to 30 years. Kate likes to clean with the CVC because it removes hazardous microdust from the air and makes the environment healthier for staff and customers alike. Studies show that it is the only suitable option for people suffering from allergies and asthma. And as Halton's CVC system is very silent compared with traditional vacuum cleaners, Kate can clean whenever she needs to without disturbing guests. At Halton, we wonder when Pete will start using the more sustainable, efficient, and silent system that provides better indoor air quality for hotels. Halton, enabling well-being in demanding indoor environments.